In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Haisley Stretchy Crochet Headband pattern. It's a super easy and quick crochet pattern. This headband boasts a clever design incorporating a hair elastic into the design for a snug and comfortable fit that adapts to any head size. That means you get a perfect fit, but you also get a perfect fit if you're making this for gifts or making it for craft fairs to make extra money. It's wonderful. So you just need a regular hair tie, some number 3 DK weight yarn, and a size G7 or 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. Let's get started. You want to join your yarn with a slip stitch into the hair elastic. So kind of pretend like you've done a chain 20 ring or something. Imagine that this is your magic loop or your chain ring. That's how you're going to crochet around the hair elastic now. So we did a slip stitch to join, then row 1 is a chain 1, and then 18 single crochets around the hair elastic. So single crochets, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's 1 single crochet. We want to do a total of 18. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 1. Row 2 begins with a chain 4, which counts as a double crochet chain 1, and then we'll turn our work, skip the next stitch, and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's a double crochet. Then chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet in the next stitch 2 times. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and work double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. And you want to repeat that all the way across. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 2. Row 3 begins with a chain 4, which counts as a double crochet chain 1. Turn your work, work 1 double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet. Okay, in the chain 2 space, we're going to work a 3 double crochet cluster, chain 2, 3 double crochet cluster. 3 double crochet cluster is yarn over your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Do that 2 more times. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook. That's a 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 2, and we'll do another 3 double crochet cluster in that same chain 2 space. Double crochet in the next double crochet, and then chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, and you want to repeat chain 1 double crochet all the way across. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 3. All additional rows are going to be a repeat of row 3, so it's chain 4, turn your work, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet until you get to the chain 2 space. So we skip the cluster stitch, and in that chain 2 space we'll work 3 double crochet cluster, chain 2, 3 double crochet cluster, Then skip the cluster, 1 double crochet in the next double crochet, and then chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet all the way across. And you want to repeat this for your entire headband. Make sure that your headband is shorter than you need. You need to be able to engage that elastic for the full circumference to have that custom snug fit. So you want to keep trying it on until the headband only reaches all the way around when you pull on the elastic. And here we have our headband ready to join. So what we're going to do is fold the headband in half so that we are working through, let's do it this way. We want to work through the stitches on our last row and also the opposite end of the hair elastic to join. Okay, chain 1. And then fold the headband in half, and now we're going to work through both thicknesses, the double crochet and the hair elastic, and work a single crochet through both. Then in the next chain 1 space and the hair elastic, single crochet. In the next double crochet and hair elastic, single crochet. In the next chain 1 space and hair elastic, single crochet. You want to repeat this through all of the double crochets and chain 1 spaces. Then in the chain 2 space, work a single crochet, skip the cluster stitch, and then work single crochet in each double crochet and chain 1 space while at the same time working through the hair elastic. And you'll get that perfect fit and the stretchy join to make this beautiful headband in minutes, not even hours. Follow the link in the video description to download the pattern with detailed charts and step-by-step written instructions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.